How to add a clock widget on your home screen for a Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 or the 14 Pro phone. Go ahead and long press a blank area and you're going to see the widgets option down here. Now when you go to the widgets section, you'll see clock current. So you can look for it. It can be that one or this one here with the white clock right there. So it could be anywhere, but when you see it, tap it and you'll see the different clocks. So you can just browse across. Now you can choose from one of these, but what's going to happen is that it might give you this white one here. Now if that happens, of course you can adjust it to where you want it to be. Then press done and then long press it again and you'll see switch. So go to switch, then look for that same clock widget again. And you just go down, look for the list of all the widgets, go through and then you'll find the clock here. When you see it, you'll tap on it and you can choose to add it or replace it. Now you can add or replace it, and then you can also long press the first one you had and remove it and just keep this one here. All right, and that's it. Like and sub.